have come from Bangalore to this particular place, my native Banki Kodla. Here I thought in the situation of this COVID-19, okay, Corona, during the time of lockdown, let me help my mother come to native and do some development in the plantation of what we have done here. So the concept here was, when I came it was very dirty. Now we have cleaned completely the garden or the plantation what we have. It is around 1 acre of land, and we have planted here the coconut trees in our native. We have around 70 to 75 coconut trees here. Okay, we have mango trees, we have ananas, we have even betel nut. These are present here. Okay, and some of the individual, some ritual plants, okay, herbal plants are present in our this one. That is the bamboo tree, what you can see, that is the bamboo. In this way we have different types of trees here. So now let's come to the topic. The coconut trees lifespan is around 60 to 80 years, and the coconut trees what are present in our plantation, okay, here are of nearly 50 years old, 50 to 60 years old. So the lifespan of this is another 10 years. Okay, so we have around 70 coconut trees here, approximately 70 coconut trees, then some few mango trees, lemon tree, okay, then jackfruit trees, okay, ananas, bamboo tree. These are all present here. So now let's move on in the plantation. The plantation here explains about how we have done the plantation. We have put the manure, and it is raining right now. It's raining, full of water here. You can find the water. Okay, so it's raining, and during this rainy season I have come to my native. Wonderful environment here, enjoying lot the environment. And here we have put the manure for almost 70 trees. This is how we put the manure. We have put salt, we put sufala, we put some manure, okay, and we have to grow such that in every 3 months we get around say 600 to 700 coconuts for every 3 months. Okay, the yield is around 600 to 700 coconuts for every 3 months. So let's move on. This is the plantation of ours. Okay, what we call it as, this is one of the herbal plant here. Okay, this is called as Arishina Hittu in Kannada, which is used for making some dishes. Okay, and we have the bamboo tree there, which gives us the bamboos. Even bamboos, it is also in Kannada called as kadale. Here the plantation, we have chopped out some of the trees, and we have put that leaves under the coconut trees, which turns into manure after few days. Okay, so during this rainy season I felt that I have to do some work at my native, grow some plants, different plants. We have put the coconut small plants here, small trees. This is one of the coconut tree what we have put here, and it is in its growth almost. And we have, this is a mango tree what you can find here, which gives lot of mangoes. Now we have chopped the leaves of these trees so that next in the season of mangoes we get lot of mangoes. Here different type of mangoes are there. We have Malgova mango and different badam and all these things. So in this plantation, this is what the land which you have, which is been clearly, we have removed all the grass from the, this one. It was very difficult to walk out here because of lot of weeds present here. So these weeds have been removed, and we have put it under the coconut tree so that it will give, it turns into a very good manure in future. Okay, so we have in the summer season we are using this jets, what we call it as. This is called as sprinkler. So we fix this one and we on the water. So we have a well here. We will go to the well, which we get the water at just 30 feet. So the water in rainy season and gets stored into the well, and this water from the well is used for the irrigation purpose or for the plants to water. Okay, so further we have this plantation. Here you can see all these, we are removing, we have removed all the grass weeds, unnecessary weeds, and we have put it under the tree. So this is our what we say is the plantation of around 1 acre land, where we are maintaining especially the coconut trees and trying to get the yield from the coconut tree. So expecting yields is around say 300 to say 400 coconuts for the next 3 months. Okay, so this is how the plantation work has been done in my native for around 1.5 months. What I have stayed here, okay, and done the developments whichever is possible. So generally this video is meant for students to say that here what happens is we have to keep ourselves busy in one or the other things and do some work, go for the agricultural lands, try to do some social service here and do some good jobs, keep ourselves busy in works and do something useful that helps everybody. That was my intention in the time of lockdown of Corona or COVID-19, and we have come up with all these changes in our native Banki Kodla. Here my mother stays alone, so lot of changes that what has been brought up here. Okay, from this complete plantation of around 1 acre of land, we have done the cleaning completely with the help of workers, and I have also joined hands with them and guided them how to do that, and all these changes has been done, and it is very important that not just coming once and doing all these things, we have to improve, keep this, maintain it in the same way as we have done the plantation. So let's now move on to the security, what security we have given in case of this plantation, who is going to take care, how it is being secured here of the plantation. I told you, in the case of secured reason, we have a CCTV camera here which covers the complete focus towards this direction. So this direction, what you can find completely, the plantation is covered with the CCTV footage. Whoever comes here and whoever is working or what is happening in this plantation, we can see through this camera. Further, we have also naturally grown these small coconut trees. Further, it will be planted in the particular places in this 1 acre land. All these are the small plants, and this is a very important leaf which is called as Nitya Pushpa. Okay, this plant, the leaves help us very much, very good for health. It is a herbal leaf. As I told you, many plants are there which are herbal. I want to introduce only this. If we directly consume this, it is very good for health. Every day early in the morning, in the empty stomach, we need to consume this herbal leaves, which is very good for health, keeps our complete immune system very strong, and helps us to do some works regularly. Okay, this is how we eat the leaves of herbal plants, which helps us a lot. No medicines work in front of these types of strong herbal plants. Here, this is the other security what we have given, the CCTV at our back door of the house, which completes this particular area. This area is focused, so whoever comes from that side, we can see the footages of the people coming from different places here, and you can find here people working. People are working here and taking care of the plantation. So further, let's move to the next secured area. The front door of our house, we have another secured camera which focuses to our house completely and gives the information about who is coming and who is arriving here, or if any problems. Completely tightly secured area using CCTV camera. We also, this is the path. The path which we go out for the out of our house to the way to the road, and on this road also we have here the CCTV camera, so that this covers the complete gate. Whoever enters in, we get the complete information of the people who come here. And this is our house, very old house of around say 145 to 150 years of age. Here we have different plants which we have planted, which is used for show as well as for the herbal flower plants. So this is the complete plantation. Now let's move on to the part of how I have joined with the workers and done the plantation of cleaned this complete plantation of around 1 acre land. Dinesh here, and he's a very good worker. He's taking the complete contract of our plantation and our house, take care of our house. Previously we had a worker called as Timappa. Now we have Dinesh who has taken the contract of this complete plantation, and he's a very good sincere worker, and he has promised that he will take care of this complete plantation as we have maintained in the months of corona situation. So this very humble person, very sincere person, and completely take care of our plantation as well as the house. So she is my mother. She is taking care of complete plantation here, even in my absence. In my absence, I just come here for a few days and go back because I am busy in my work. So she takes the complete in charge of the plantation and guides everybody how to take care of our plantation. The complete guidance for the complete neatness of our plantation also is being guided by my mother, and she takes care. Even though she is 70 years old, she comes out, goes through the plantation and completely take care of our plantation, of whatever the complete square feet land we have. Okay, so she gives, she is a very inspiring woman for everybody to guide and suggest all the workers as per her guidance only, all the works in the plantation takes place according to her wish.